In today's video, I am going to teach you how to scout on Shopify. Before we begin, make sure you are logged into your Shopify account and that you have access to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you will install the app you need for scouting and finding product opportunities more efficiently. To start, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. If you are already signed in, you can simply open the admin area in your browser. Take a moment to look at the main layout. On the left side, you should see a vertical menu with several options. You are going to use that left sidebar to navigate to the Apps section. Once you are in the dashboard, click Apps in the left sidebar menu. This step matters because the Apps page is where you can browse, search for, and install tools from the Shopify app ecosystem. After you click Apps, wait for the Apps page to load fully. You should now see an area where you can search for specific applications and see available options. Next, locate the search bar on the Apps page. Type AutoDS, or if you prefer a different listing name, you can type DSers. Then press Enter to run the search. This is the step where you narrow down the options, so you are looking at the correct app that people use for product scouting and related workflows. While you type, make sure your spelling matches what you see in the listing suggestions. After you press Enter, Shopify should display results that match your search. Now that the search results are on screen, you will select the application you want to install. Look through the results and confirm that the app name matches what you searched for, such as AutoDS or DSers. Then click Install next to the application. This is an important moment because it begins the installation process for the tool. Depending on your Shopify setup, you may see a short description of what the app does, or you may be taken straight into an installation confirmation screen. After you click Install, the page will prompt you to continue. Click Install App on the confirmation screen to finalize the installation. This last click is what actually completes the process, so it is important not to skip it. Take a brief second here to make sure you are clicking the correct button, since Shopify sometimes shows options related to confirming access and permissions. Once the installation is complete, you may notice a change in the page status or a message confirming that the app was added. At this point, the app should be ready for your next actions inside Shopify. The goal of this video step is to get the scouting tool installed, so you can move forward with using it to find products and manage your scouting workflow. If you do not see an immediate confirmation, wait a moment for the page to finish loading, since apps can take a few seconds to appear as fully installed. Then you can proceed to use the app according to its setup process. The installation step is the foundation, because without it, you cannot access the scouting features inside your Shopify store. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.